The drone has gradually entered our daily life. There are many things that happen in flight, which can cause a drone to go out of control and fall. We operate the Manti4 parachute to make flying even safer. When something goes wrong with a drone, Manti4 can detect the accident and automatically deploy the parachute, greatly slow down the falling speed of aircraft. Benefit from the new chip and APS active parachute deployment algorithm and more stringent reliability tests. Manti4 can accurately differentiate between impacts, falls, rolls, and other conditions, and trigger the parachute deployment at the appropriate time. With a built-in buzzer, it automatically sounds an alarm after deployment, alerting personnel below to evacuate and making it easier to precisely locate the crash site in complex situations. Compact in size, weighing only 72 grams. In exchange for endless safe flights, the spirit design of the parachute compartment base eliminates the cumbersome packing steps after each deployment. Simply replace the parachute assembly. Firmware upgrades are supported, allowing us to continuously optimize the algorithm, providing strong assurance for your flights. Manti4 is now compatible with DJI Mavic series, with more models to be supported in the future.